How to link a focus with the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, press on the side button to go to your lock screen. And then from the lock screen, touch and hold. Next, we enter the passcode. From here, go to your preferred lock screen and then tap on the focus button here. From the list, select a focus that you would like to use. So for example, gaming, we tap on that. So whenever you want to change the focus, you can quickly change your lock screen wallpaper type. So here we got gaming. So if I go into this, if I select this lock screen, you can see on my status bar here, it shows at the moment I have a gaming focus turned on. So if I go to my lock screen here, and on my lock screen, if I change it, so if I change to a different lock screen, this is a sleep. It has a sleep focus link to this particular lock screen. And if I go into my home screen here, I have a sleep focus turned on. And that's it. So that is how you can link a focus to a lock screen. And that will allow you to quickly activate the focus based on your current lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.